Welcome to Dessert Planet. Three eggs. One cup of sugar. Half teaspoon of vanilla. Stir the mixture for several minutes until creamy and elastic. Encourages us with subscribe and turning on notifications. 3/4 cup of liquid oil. Stir until mixed. Two dessert spoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Two cups of flour. Add flour powder in several steps and stir until mixed. Two cups of grated carrots. Half cup of chopped walnuts. Put grease-proof paper at bottom of the mold. Preheat the oven and put the cake into oven at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Thanks for watching.